so great to see you.
I know, the train ride took forever.
You're telling me.
Wow, Tony, your room is so boring. You need to put some posters up or something.
I mean, I'm not gonna be here for that long, so do I really need to decorate the place?
It's college, my man, not jail. Here. I'll get you started.
What's this?
Well, I know you're from the big city and everything, but
I mean, like, where you got it from?
This man from the train station. He said it was for me. He was nice.
Weird. So, some random old man just gave you a flower out of nowhere.
It's not weird. You know, things like this make the world go round. We could all use a little kind gesture every once in a while.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And you know what that man told me when he gave me this flower? For the beauty that you are. Or something like that. Okay, it was a little random, but still nice, you know? Tony, are you alright?
Alright, look. Over the past few years, I've dated 3 girls. And one by one, they all disappeared without a trace.
Whoa.
Everyone keeps writing it up as some kind of curse or coincidence, but I know the truth. It has to be her.
Who?
Delilah. The girl I used to date a long time ago, like high school type shit. She liked flowers and stuff, so I bring her one every day. Say some corny shit, express my feelings, you know?
Tony, what are you getting at?
It's her. Look, each one of those girls, I seen with a type of flower the day they disappeared. She's been stalking me, Gene, for years, ever since we broke up in high school. I thought if I went online, she would leave me alone.
Tony, let's take a deep breath and think about this, okay?
What? Did you just hear what I said?
Yeah, I know, but I mean, I'm sorry you went through all that. I can't even imagine, but you know, maybe that sort of trauma could really mess someone up.
Hold on, are you calling me crazy?
No, I didn't mean that. This is all just so much.
No, it's fine. I'm sorry. Maybe you're right. I am just a little in my head about everything.
It's okay, Tony. I get it.
I'm glad you're here.
You know, today actually was pretty cool.
It was. This is a pretty nice city, not gonna lie.
Yeah, it has its moments. Come on, you've been holding that flower all day. Can you take your eyes off of it for 1 minute?
Sorry, it's just, this is a real sunflower. When's the last time you've seen a real sunflower?
You act like you ain't never seen a sunflower before.
I have, it's just, reminds me of home. Besides, I brought this here to keep your mind straight so you don't crash out at the sight of another pretty flower.
Okay, you trying to be funny.
Gene? Gene! Gene!
Gene. Gene. Gene.
Delilah. I haven't seen you since we were kids.
Ugh, I know. Where's all the time gone? Am I right?
Delilah, let's just stop this. I don't care what you do to me, just let Gene go.
Oh, okay. He wants to play the hero now. Man. I guess it was just too late for the other girls.
Come on, Delilah, it doesn't have to be like this.
Oh, Tony, I agree. Here's my offer. Get rid of her. Come with me. We'll light some candles, play some music, all that jazz.
I'm not going anywhere with you.
Why? I've been trying to get you to notice me for years, but no. You rather go cope with your sad feelings chasing those light-skinned girls who, mind you, really ain't nothing but a flower on my neck.
Delilah, what did you do to them?
We grew up together. Why mess around with these other girls when you can lean on me? Someone who would have risked their life for you.
Because we're not kids anymore, Delilah.
True. I guess I had it all wrong. You don't know anything about real love. You just want to mess around like the selfish man you are. And I should have known. It's your nature. These other girls weren't the problem. It's you. Your toxicity is what caused their deaths. It's all right now. Because no one is ever gonna have to deal with that ever again.
I think Delilah is a pretty name.
What the hell is wrong with you?
I'll be there for you. If no one else is, you can count on me. You don't have to be alone anymore.
How could you possibly say that?
Your sunflower. You grew it yourself, didn't you? You doused it in chemicals to knock me out, but just enough so that it wouldn't kill the flower's beauty. Thank you, Delilah. You're not so bad yourself.
That's not what I... They're in the garden. The school garden on campus.